I'm back. So are you. Let's do one thing. Let's talk about some eggs. Do you eat egg? Yes, you do. No, you don't. I do. Because it's vegetarian. Are you a veggie? Because I am not. So, today I'm going to tell you a story about a Humpty and a Dumpty. You know what is an Humpty Dumpty? It's one single egg. I knew it. You never knew about it. You smarty pants. Do you think you are smart? So let me teach you something about Humpty Dumpty. Your sports shoes are ready? Come on, sing with me. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Not all the king's horses, not all the king's men. What happened then? Come on with me. Not all the king's horses and not all the king's men could set... Who? The egg? No. Let's start again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Not all the king's horses, not all the king's men could set Humpty Dumpty again. Yay! The egg was broken. We ate it. And I like omelette. But yeah, sometimes you can even use the egg yolk, to wash your hair. Try it. Your mother will love it. Take the yolk, put it in your hair, comb it nicely, and just walk around the house, run around the house and sing this. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Not all the king's men and not all the king's horses could set Humpty Dumpty together again. Yeah, kids, it was a nice one. You know what? Bye-bye. Ta-da! See you next time, kiddo. Bye-bye.